Good morning, everybody. This is Mike coming live to you from JIEI, and I'm here with my colleague and pal, Ian. Ian, say hello.
Good morning, afternoon, everybody.
So you're very lucky that we have Ian with us here today. Ian is our resident video guru. He is really good at putting together videos, podcasts, you name it, and he is our tech expert. So I thought he would be the perfect person to walk us through today's lesson with Screencastify. Ian, thanks
I'll
for
do
being
my
here.
best.
All
Yeah,
right.
my pleasure, my pleasure. I'll do my best.
So first things first, let's talk about 2020. It's a crazy year. There's a thing called coronavirus going on. Has it affected your classes?
Yeah, I would say that it has driven a lot of content to be shared online. And in order to share content online most efficiently, I found that making lecture videos to share with students that they can watch on their own time is a very effective way to share my curriculum without them falling too far behind.
Ah, nice. So Screencastify, is it something you definitely recommend for our trainees to use?
Oh, 100%. Screencastify is an extension to the Google Chrome browser, which allows the user to share three things. They can share the computer screen that they're working on, so they
Okay.
can share a presentation. They can share audio, so they can speak into a microphone in order to speak to the students. And
Okay.
finally, they can share a video screen to show them their face talking to the students.
Nice. It sounds like even though you don't have the students there in person to lecture to, you're able to provide them lectures online along with your presentation.
Yeah, and I'm a very strong proponent of flipped learning. And so using Screencastify has really helped me flip my classroom in a time effective way.
That's great. So before we get started, why don't you tell us how often you use Screencastify?
Oh, this year I've used Screencastify almost every day.
Nice. Okay, well, let's get started. First things first, from a blank slate, we're looking at a blank screen. How do we even get Screencastify? Where do we find it?
That's a good question. So first, let's start in a Google search. We need to find the Chrome store, Chrome Web Store, my first result right here. The Chrome Web Store has an almost infinite number of apps and add-ons to add to your Google Chrome extension to improve your internet or educational experience. So let's search the store. This is called Screencastify.
So there's a lot of tools here, a lot of third-party apps from Chrome that you can use to make your lessons better.
Oh, absolutely. There's almost a near infinite amount. So, whatever your educational needs or whatever you might want to do, there's probably an app for that.
Yes, I like it.
So, I searched for Screencastify. I found Screencastify. So, let's add to Chrome,
Okay.
add extension. Boom! Screencastify video recorder has been added to Chrome. But I can't see it. If I click on this puzzle piece and I click on this pin right here, this lets me see the Screencastify icon on my taskbar. The
Nice.
Screencastify icon looks like a play button with a camera inside.
Okay.
Let's click on this icon, and we need to set up with a Google account. So you do need a Google account in order to set up Screencastify.
Yeah, Google makes the world go around.
Ordinarily, you have to go through some quick permissions to allow, but mine is already prepared. So now I am ready to screencast and make a lovely video.